Hello everyone. Let's start standing today. We'll step to the front of the mat. Hands on hip, feet separated, hip width apart, toes pointing forward. Let's press our feet firmly, pressing all 10 toes, sides of the feet and the heels. Tighten thighs, lifting the kneecap up. Let's point the tailbone down, lift chest up. Shoulders rolling back and down, chin parallel to floor, eyes closed. As we are standing strong and tall, moving awareness to breath. Next few breaths. With every inhale, we'll expand the chest nicely. Exhale, chest collapses. Breathing in and out with a gentle sound from the throat. Inhale, expanding the rib cage. Exhale very slowly. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more breaths. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale out, drawing the belly in nicely. Let's blink open eyes. Joining the feet together, hands by the side of the body, fingers pointing down. Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Inhale, stretch both arms up, joining the palms together. Look up, lengthen spine. Knees softly bend. Exhale, straight spine, folding forward. Fingertips by the sides of the feet. Keeping the knees slightly bent. Inhale, chest and head up. Extend spine. Exhale, stepping back to plank. If you are comfortable, coming halfway down to Chaturanga or lie down flat. Elbows hugging the body. Pointing the toes up. Inhale, chest up, upward facing dog. Try and take the knees off the floor. Stretch your legs out. Rolling the shoulders nice and up. Exhale, tuck your toes, lifting your knee and hip up, downward facing dog. Staying in down dog for the next 30 seconds. Feet separated, hip width apart, toes pointing in slightly. We'll start with the knees bent to stretch the spine. So from the lower back, try and stretch the spine. Draw the belly in and slowly work on straightening both the legs out without moving the belly away from the thighs. Moving back to chest breathing. If possible, create a sound from the back of your throat as you're breathing in and out. Gaze towards your navel or between the knees. Inhale, exhale. Slowly work on straightening your knees out. Shoulders nice and away from ears. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Fill your chest up, exhale out. Let's look forward. Bending both knees, stepping both the feet forward. Inhale, chest up, Ardha Uttana. Arch lower back, lift chest up. Exhale, forehead down, folding forward. Inhale, coming up to standing. Stretch both arms to the side, palms together, looking up. Exhale, hands by the side, Samasthiti. Second round, drawing the belly in, tighten thighs. Inhale, stretch both arms up, Urdhva Hasta, looking up, lengthen spine. Exhale, knees softly bent, fold it forward. Fingertips down. Inhale, chest and head up, Ardha Uttana, lengthen spine. Exhale, stepping back to Chaturanga or lie down flat onto the mat. Pointing the toes out. Strong legs, inhale, chest up. Straight elbows, upward facing dog. Moving the chest forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, feet separated. Gaze either between the knees or the navel. Moving back to the breath, Ujjayi breathing. We are breathing in and out with a mild sound from the back of the throat. Fix the gaze at one point. Inhale, deep breath in. Exhale out. Gaze between your palms, stepping both your feet forward. Inhale, chest up, Ardha Uttana. Look forward. Exhale, forehead down. Gaze between your big toes. Inhale, coming up. Gazing at your palms. Exhale, hands by the side. Gaze at the nose tip, Samasthiti. Third round, moving with the gaze. Starting with the gaze at the nose tip. Exhale out fully. Inhale, stretch up, looking up at your palms. Exhale, fold forward. Gaze between your big toes. Inhale, chest and head up, look forward, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, Chaturanga, gazing at nose tip. Inhale, upward facing dog. Gaze at the eyebrow center. Exhale, downward facing dog. Gaze at the navel. Moving to Ujjayi breathing. Strong legs, nice and slow breaths in and out. Every exhale, try and move the belly close to the thighs. Stretch both legs out. Exhale out fully. Bend both knees, gaze between your palms. Stepping both your feet forward. Gaze between your big toes. Exhale. Inhale, look forward, arch lower back, lift chest up. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, coming up. Stretch arms, looking up, gaze at your palm. Exhale, Samasthiti, gazing at the nose tip. One last round. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, fold forward, gaze between your big toes. Inhale, lengthen spine, gaze forward. Exhale, stepping back, Chaturanga, gazing at the nose tip. Inhale, upward facing dog, gaze at eyebrow center. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keeping the feet separated hip width apart, let's bring the knees down, coming on to all fours. So adjust your stance, your knee hip is in one line, toes are pointed out. And to start with, your shoulder wrist is in one line. Let's point the tailbone out. So you are tilting the pelvis, pointing the tailbone out. It's as though the belly is wanting to move close to the thighs. Keeping the tailbone pointed out, let's stretch both our arms out. Palms separated, mat width apart. Inhale then, exhale, bringing the forehead down, closing the eyes. If the middle back is fairly open, you can choose to place the chin on the mat. But for the next few breaths, every exhale, try and relax your upper body. It's as though the chest wants to move down towards the mat. Eyes closed for the next few seconds. Slow, long breaths in and out. Inhale, take a breath in. Exhale out. Slide forward, lying down on your belly. Let's do Sphinx pose. Bringing the forearm down, so elbow, shoulders in one line. We'll separate the feet mat width apart, toes pointing to the side. If that's uncomfortable, you can just point the toes out, which is comfortable for you. So you're going to press the palms firmly, point the fingers slightly out. Inhale, straight elbows, lift chest up. So shoulders are nice and away. You're going to start to relax your glutes, thighs, calf muscles, feet. And mindfully keeping the chest lifted, closing the eyes. Every inhale, expand chest, lift it up gently. Exhale, relaxing your legs without dropping the chest down. Keeping the eyes closed, awareness to your lower back. Only if you are comfortable, see if you can walk your palm one tiny step back, lifting the chest up. Shoulders away from ears. And keep relaxing your legs. Five more breaths here. Choice to walk your palm one more step back. If that's uncomfortable, feel free to bring the elbows down. This time you're going to look up, stretching the neck. It's as though you're wanting to drop the head back. But keep lifting the chest up. Inhale, take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly bring the forehead down. Any one cheek on mat, hands by this side. Eyes closed, let go of the body. Complete awareness with the lower back. Let's bring the chin on mat, feet separated, hip width apart. Tuck the toes in, palms beneath the shoulders. Tighten both thighs, lifting the thighs off the floor. Squeeze your belly in to lift the belly also off the floor. Exhale out fully, inhale, pushing up to plank. Exhale, downward facing down. Feet separated, hip width apart. Let's come up with the tips of our fingers and start walking your hands back towards the feet. So knees can be bent, lengthen spine, look forward. We'll take both hands behind the back, interlacing fingers. Squeeze shoulder blades, moving the shoulders nice and away from the ears. Stretch your arms up. Inhale, take a breath in. Exhale, folding forward. Knees can be bent if required. If you don't feel any tension in the lower back, feel free to stretch the legs out completely. But mindfully keeping the body straight towards our toes. Keeping the shoulders away from ears. Slowly work on moving your interlaced palms over your head. Every exhale, move the shoulders away from ears and moving your interlaced palm one step over the head. Stay here for 5. Exhale deep. 4. Tuck the chin towards the chest and stretch. 3. 2 and 1. Exhale out fully, releasing both hands in front of our feet, walking the hands forward to a plank. So wrist, shoulders in one line, high plank. Moving on to side plank from here. Let's draw both our feet towards the right side. Take your time, see if you can stack the left foot on top of right. As you are lifting the hip up, slowly lifting the left arm up towards the ceiling. stretch. Once you found balance, stretching the left arm over the head for 5. Keep lifting the hip up. 4. Active left hand. 3. Open chest. 2. 2. Stay with me. 2. And 1. Moving back to plank. Quickly moving to the other side. Drop both your heels towards the left side. Stacking the right foot on top of left. As you are lifting the hip up, right arm reaches up. Now choice to stay here. If you found balance, stretching the right arm over your head for 5. Keep breathing. 4. 3. 3. 3. 2. And 1. Back to plank. Inhale there, feet together. Exhale, knees down, chest in between the palms and chin down. Ashtanga Namaskara. Pointing the toes out. Inhale, slide forward, chest up, Bhujangasana. Shoulders nice and away from ears. Exhale, tuck your toes back, Parvatasana. So we'll keep the feet together in downward dog. Again, walking the fingertips back towards the feet. So big toes are touching each other, heels are slightly away. Let's bend both knees. We are going to squeeze the knees, trying to bring the thighs parallel to the floor. Okay. So look down, you should be able to gaze at your big toes. Lift the chest up, place it back again. So the belly is pressing against the thigh, but the rib cage is lifted up. Exhale out fully. Inhale, stretching both arms forward. Keep breathing. We'll stay here for 5. Squeeze knees together. 4. 3. 2. Inhale, take a breath in. Exhale, folding forward. We'll bring the fingertips by the sides of the feet. Stay with me, keeping the knees bent. Lengthen spine, place the belly on top of the thigh. And slowly work on straightening the knees out without losing the contact of the belly and the thigh. So you'll have to use the sides of the glute muscles also to stretch your legs out. If you're comfortable, try and place your palms down, entire palms down. It's as though the elbow wants to move back. Dropping the head down. You stay here for 5. Body straight, moving towards the toes. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Exhale out fully. Hands on hip. Inhale, coming up. Let's step the right foot forward, turning towards the long edge of the mat. Medium stance. Toes pointing forward. Hands on hip. Let's point the toes out and heels in for Kalyasana. So we'll move with breath. Okay. So I'll just show the practice. When you're inhaling, you're going to stretch both arms out. When you're exhaling, we'll bend the knees, squat down. We'll bend the elbows, joining the thumb and the index finger, and we'll breathe out forcefully. The tongue comes out, and if you're comfortable, gaze at the eyebrow center when that happens. So I'll show the practice once. Inhale, stretch both arms out. Exhale. We'll go together. 5 rounds of Kalyasana. Nice and strong legs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, roar. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Mouth closed. Keep gazing at the eyebrow center. And keep moving the knees nice and away from each other. Stay here for 5. Sinking the hip lower. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Hands on hip, coming up to standing. Let's point the toes forward, closing the eyes. Moving back to Ujjayi breaths. Fill your chest up with your inhales. Exhale out slowly. Let's turn towards the front of the mat, bringing the palms down, stepping back, downward facing dog, feet separated. Inhale, roll forward to plank. Exhale, chaturanga or lie down flat. Inhale, upward facing dog. Stretch your legs out, knees off the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's bring the right foot forward in between palms and bringing the left knee down. So fingertips down, we'll point the left toes out and take time to roll the left thigh in and start pressing the back of the top of the back foot firmly. Okay? So you're going to strengthen. The only reason you're pressing the back foot is to keep the legs strong. So choice to keep your fingertips down, chest lifted, or if you're comfortable, hands on hip, closing the eyes. Next few exhales to just stretch our inner thighs to release the hips down. Keep breathing. We'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, nice and tall spine, and 1. Exhale out fully. Opening the eyes, both hands down. Without lifting the hip up too much, let's point the left toes up towards the ceiling. Right hand holding on to the left foot, chest facing forward. Now slowly work on moving the left heel close to the buttock and keep pointing the right knee forward. Now only if you are comfortable, bringing the left elbow down. You can choose to hold on to your right ankle with your left palm. Chest is still lifted. Right knee close to the right shoulder. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, lean forward with the body sway, 2, and 1. Slowly releasing the left leg. Let's bring both hands inside the right foot, walking the right foot slightly out. Let's come out to the tips of the fingers. Again, back leg is nice and strong. Inhale, lift chest up. Exhale, pointing the right toes up towards the ceiling so that the right heel is pressing down. And take your time to stretch the right leg out fully as the toes are pointing up or towards the face. Lengthen spine here. We'll stay here for 5. Keep tightening your right thigh. Walk your hand one step forward. 4. Keep lifting the chest up. 3, 2, chest up, and 1. Let's press our palms down and slowly work on sliding the right heel forward. So as you are sliding the right heel forward, walk your palms forward along with the heel. Okay. Beyond the point, you might not be able to walk your palm forward, so mark that as a reference. Keep pointing the right foot towards you. Now start walking your fingertips back, lifting the chest up and moving the right hand outside the right leg. Let's bend the right knee, keep sinking the hip lower and see if you can stretch the leg out completely, getting into a split. Stay here for 5, 4, keep lifting the chest up now, 3, breathe, 2, and 1. Bring both hands inside the right leg, walking the right knee back, plank. Inhale there. Exhale chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog. Exhale downward facing dog. Feet separated. Let's bring the left foot forward in between palms and bringing the right knee down. So walk the right knee back till you have space, pointing the right toes up. Start pressing the back foot nice and firm. Fingertips down, choice to stay here keeping the chest lifted. If you are comfortable, hands on hip, closing the eyes. So next few exhales to lower the hip down. Keep the chest lifted up. Exhale out fully. Let's bring the hands down. Without lifting the hip up, we'll point the right toes up towards the ceiling. Left hand holding on to your right ankle. So left knee is pointing forward. Lift chest up. Inhale that. Only if you're comfortable, right elbow down. See if you can hold on to the left foot with your right palm. Gaze is forward. And take time to move the right heel close to the buttock. Stay here for 5. Keep shifting the body straight forward gently. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out. Gently release the foot down. Both palms inside the left foot. And come on to the tips of the fingers. Inhale, lift chest up. Exhale. Let's move the hip back. Pointing the left toes up. Stretch the left leg out. Arch your lower back, lift chest up. We'll stay here for 5. Keep tightening the left thigh. 4. Stretch spine forward. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Let's bring the palms down and slowly start to slide the heel forward, walking your hands forward. Once you can't move it any further, bend the left knee, come on to the tips of your fingers. Slowly walk your hands back, then bringing the left hand outside the hip. Keep sinking the hip down. Only if you're comfortable, see if you can stretch the left leg out fully. We'll stay here for 5. Take it nice and slow. 4, 3, keep the chest lifted up. 2, and 1. Exhale out fully. Both hands inside the left leg. Stepping back to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog. Exhale downward facing dog. Let's step the right foot forward in between palms. Hands on hip, coming up to lunge. Fix the gaze at one point. We'll explore few balancing postures. Without losing balance, next exhale, bringing the left knee close to chest. Let's hold on to the left ankle with the left hand, pointing the left knee down to start with. The right hand remains on hip. Exhale out here. Lean forward a bit. So when you say lean forward, you're moving the rib cage forward and down. So you're not closing the chest, chest is open, rib cage is moving forward, belly comes down. Now take time to stretch the left leg out. It's as though you're wanting to stretch the left knee out. So the more you lift the left knee up, keep lifting the chest up. Gaze at one point, we'll stay here for 5. Keep stretching the left leg, closing the hip. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Without letting go of any grip that we have, let's bend the right knee, standing knee. Look down at one point, bringing the right fingertips down. The right fingertips right beneath your shoulder. Closing the hip, keep stretching the left leg up towards the ceiling. Stay there for 5. Left knee pointing up towards the ceiling, chest lifted. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, releasing the left leg nice and back, palms down, stepping back to plank. Inhale that. Exhale chaturanga. Inhale upward facing dog or bhujangasana. Exhale downward facing dog. Closing the eyes for a few seconds. watching the difference between the right leg and the left leg. Exhale out fully. Let's step the left foot forward in between palms. Hands on hip, coming up to lunge. Fix the gaze at one point. And the next exhale, right knee in front of chest. Belly is in. Let's hold on to the right ankle with the right hand. Nice and tight grip. Pointing the knee down, right knee down. Exhale out here, draw the belly in. Inhale, lean forward a bit. Move the chest forward. And take time to stretch the right leg out. So as you're lifting the right knee up, chest also lifts up. Stay here for 5. Keep closing the hip and stretch. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bend the standing knee, look down at one point and slowly releasing the left fingertips down. Exhale here. Inhale, start pointing the left knee up towards the ceiling. Chest is lifted. We'll stay here for 5. Keep stretching. 4, 3, closing the hip. 2. Inhale, take a breath in. Exhale, stepping the right leg nice and back, palms down. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's bring the knees down. Lying down onto the mat on our back. The next few seconds, separating the feet. Right palm on the belly, left palm on chest. Watching our breath, eyes closed. Preparing for Chakrasana or Urdhva Dhanurasana, wheel posture. Knees bent, feet on mat, feet separated, hip width apart. We'll bring the palms beneath the shoulders where the fingers are pointing towards the feet. We break it down first step. With an inhale, we lift the entire body, placing the crown of the head down. Then adjust your palms if required and then trying to lift your chest up, coming off the mat completely. If you are used to the practice, you can come up with one breath, getting into the posture. So I am going to break it down. Exhale out fully. Inhale, strong legs, press your feet down. Lift the body, crown of the head down. Adjust your hands, your body yourself will tell you if you need to move your hands away from each other. Keep pressing the feet firmly as you lift the chest up. Urdhva Dhanurasana. Keep stretching your legs and your arms out. Hip is lifting up. Look down at one point for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chin to chest. Slowly bring the back of the head and the shoulders down. Hug both knees close to chest. Eyes closed. Let the lower back relax. Awareness back to breath. Just spot if both nostrils are fairly open now. If not, it's perfectly alright. Cross ankle, rock forward, coming up to seat. Simple cross leg. or half lotus or full lotus, which is comfortable for you, or you can choose to sit in Vajrasana for breathing practice. Simple breathing practice. We will do 11 breaths out through the left nostril first. So inhaling and exhaling through the left nostril, and then 11 breaths in and out through the right nostril. So we will be using the right hand, thumb to close the right nostril, ring finger to close the left nostril. I'll check the count for the breath before we start. The count would be inhale 3, 2, 1, exhale 3, 2, 1. During the practice, if you feel that you are able to lengthen your breath, feel free to make the count as 4 or 5 or 6, which is comfortable for you. But ensure that the inhales and exhales are of same duration, 1:1 ratio. Sitting up straight, shoulders relaxed, chest is slightly lifted. And when you are breathing in, both belly and the chest gently expands like a cylinder. So the spine is in between. Like a cylinder, the body expands when you inhale and slowly contracts as you exhale. Let's close the right nostril, closing the eyes. Inhale through left, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through left, 3, 2, 1. Inhale left, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left, 3, 2, 1. 9 more breaths at your own pace, and then switch to right side. Stay with the practice, separating the jaws slightly. Relax the shoulders, elbows. I am switching to the right nostril now, closing the left nostril using the ring finger. And I am retaining the count of 3 for my inhale and exhale. Eleven breaths in and out through the right nostril. Next few breaths, complete awareness with the spine. Once you are done, Dropping the right palm down onto the knee and sitting still for the next few breaths, retaining the count of 3 and 3 for inhale and exhale. Acknowledge the stillness in the body. Calm breathing. And visualize that the calmness of the breath is moving through the body. You can choose to remain seated or keeping the eyes closed. Take your time to lie down onto the mat in Shavasana. Feet separated, hands away from body, palms facing up. Just let go of your body and stay connected with the stillness and the calmness that we felt in the body and breath. Preparing to come out of Shavasana. If you're seated, remain seated. Start moving toes, fingers, head from side to side. Feet together, stretch arms over your head, interlace fingers. Inhale, deep breath in, give a good stretch to your body. Exhale, release. Bend knees, roll to any one side. Keeping the eyes closed, coming up to seated. Simple cross leg, palms on knees, straight spine. Observing the body and breath. A gentle smile on the face. Palms together. Rub palm. Widen your smile. Placing your palms on your eyes. And slowly blink open into your palms with a wide smile on the face. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you all in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Bye.